Hello everyone. If you are tired of slow broadband and complicated installations, you might be looking at Rogers 5G home internet as a simple alternative. But the real question is it actually reliable in 2026 or just convenient but inconsistent? So first, let's understand what is Rogers 5G home internet. So it is basically a wireless home internet service that uses 5G network instead of cables, meaning you don't need any technician or wiring. You just plug in the router and start using it. The setup takes just a few minutes. When we talk about the speed and the performance, so in real usage, the speeds can vary a lot depending on your location. You can expect anywhere from around 100 Mbps to 300 Mbps and sometimes even higher in the strong signal areas. For daily use like streaming, browsing, video calling, it works pretty well. But the important part is that because it is wireless, performance can fluctuate based on the signal strength, network traffic, and even your home's location. So if we talk about the pricing, you can come here on this page and you can see for yourself that their essentials plan is going to basically cost you $60 per month, and then they have popular plan which is going to cost you $70 per month. Their ultimate plan is going to cost you $100 per month. So most of the options include data limits at full speed, then lower speeds after that. So there is also higher plans with more data and unlimited usage, but at a higher cost. So when we take a look at the parameter of reliability, so Rogers has a strong 5G network overall, with good coverage and fast mobile performance across Canada. But when it comes to the home network, some of the people reports signal drops and the inconsistent speeds, especially during the peak hours or in the weaker coverage areas. So overall, Rogers 5G home internet is a great option if you want simple plug and play internet with decent speeds. But if your priority is maximum stability and consistent performance, the traditional cable or fiber is still the better choice. So if this video helped you understand, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.